just right. How does he do that?
Oh, hello. You know, this guy here, Theodore Herzl, once said, "If you will it, it is no dream." And if you've ever traveled to the state of Israel and come back home, you certainly have been dreaming. Dreaming of the sights, dreaming of the sounds, the smells, and most importantly, the flavors.
Loin and stuff, Israeli cool, it's time for the Merkaz Minute. That's right. Welcome to the original supermarkets of Israel. The Carmel Market in Tel Aviv and the Machne Yehuda Market in Jerusalem are over 100 years old, selling fresh food and trade goods to both Arabs and Jews side by side. Today, they house delicious restaurants, unique artisans, and one-of-a-kind experiences. Oh my goodness! Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Holy Moses, would you look at that? Let's see how things are going back in the United States.
It's pretty good. This one tastes like pizza if you took away the cheese and the sauce and the flavor.
Aw, well that's too bad, because here in Jerusalem, we're making smoothies from the etrog. You may notice that the prices for fresh ingredients are all written on chalkboards or whiteboards. That's because the vendors change their prices every day. They drop to their lowest levels on Friday afternoons before most of the markets close for Shabbat.
What? What do you mean? The weekend is when I buy my best stuff.
Well, don't forget that almost the entire state of Israel celebrates Shabbat each week. Now, that doesn't mean that everything is closed for Shabbat. Many young Israelis enjoy the nightlife around the markets, and there are many places that choose to stay open all weekend long. But for those Israeli vendors working every day at Carmel or Machne Yehuda Market, Shabbat is a welcome rest from the nearly 200,000 shoppers that come through every week.
Okay, real talk. I know I gave you a hard time with the Bisley, but these are out of this world. So good. I can't believe you guys give these to babies. Yum.